Hey everybody, it's me Denise with Lily Pop Love. I'm so glad you're here to open number 7. Number 7 with us with Jenny today. I'm excited to get all these presents opened. I need them opened. I need these presents opened. Let's see what we got today.
Good morning, everyone. It is day
cutest,
7.
Cutest pie,
lucky
of course.
7. You know, that's why Santa's riding on a unicorn, because it's lucky day 7. Let's
Santa's
see what
riding
we
on a
have
unicorn.
for number 7. All right, here we go, right here. Day 7.
This feels like a charm pack. This feels like a charm pack.
Fabric. And look at this. Kona. And you know, when you get fabric, you know what that means, don't you? You're going to get some project to make with it. And I can hardly wait to show you what it is, because it's really fun. And this fabric will not last long in this pack, because you're going to want to do what we got coming up. So stay tuned. Happy day 7.
So we have a project coming up again. Oh my goodness. Another project. So that's awesome. So today's is Kona Starlight Color Story. So we've got basically just this. It's the turquoise or teal or pink. And it's coming off a little bit more redder than it is. It's more a maroon color. Let's see if we can. It's not as bright. It's more a darker wine. Not dark. It's not really dark. But maybe more wine than the bag is. So that's today's. Yay. We've got a project coming up. So I'm going to see you guys tomorrow for day 8. And we've had a lot of gifts for 7 days. And now we have 18 days to open. I need to correct myself from the last box. I said 21. 18 more days to open, right? Yes, I think that's right. No? Yeah, something like that. Anyway, we'll see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.